Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know, and you already know what this is. It is everybody's new favorite cheap Chinese marketplace. It's TEMU. Let's see what we've got. Okay, so firstly we've got a pack of stickers. I said stickers, but these are actually water decals, which is better in my opinion because they don't leave that weird outline. They're all kind of heart related, but super cute. We have something that is squished. All right, so this is a nail polish from MSK Color Lead. It says nail polish glue, but I don't remember buying a glue. Looks like the instructions were originally in a different language. It does contain TEMU. I see that there. But they did put a sticker with some English on there. All right, it says gel polish number 006. I don't know what color that is, but let's find out. Okay, so this actually looks amazing. I think the light may be too much. From my angle, I can see pretty well. Let me try and... Anyway, okay, so let's see if we can zoom this in anymore without it getting too blurry. So I can tell there is some hollow glitter in here. It does appear to have a bit of a gold base. I think that's really pretty. We've got another one. Oh, this one's got a sticker on it. It says base coat. I know I got some base coat and top. So yeah, this one is interesting. It's a bit of a thin consistency, which I don't mind that because I don't like a thick base coat. Taking up space it doesn't need to. This one doesn't have a sticker on it. It does on the back. So it's probably a color. Ooh, it is blue. It's very much like that other one that had that bit of a gold green. So this one has the same hollow, but the base is just different, and unfortunately I put my lamp up, so I would have to get that back out to make swatches, so I don't know if I'm going to. But that's really pretty. I'm gonna have to use these in a set soon, so that's probably what I'll do, and then I can make swatches. Alright, we've got the top coat. Let's have a look at the consistency. This one's actually pretty thin as well, so maybe that won't bulk up your polish. I know these are supposed to be, you know, like those Korean gel polishes. I don't have any Korean gel polish, so I'm wondering if that is supposed to be thin, if that's just one of the characteristics. It says romance in heart. How interesting. Got another color. I really like this handle. It feels good to hang on to. Oh, it's a silver. This one is very sparkly. It seems to have less of those hollow bits, but they are in there, so I can see them. This is really cute. I like that a lot. Another color. Okay, so this one's more just like those, except this one's got a bit of a purple base. It's got all those hollow bits. It's very shimmery. I know y'all can see that. That looks amazing. I like that a lot. Look at that. Look at it run in there. That's pretty. Let's see what we got in this one. Okay, this one's a bit of a more copper gold. So I'm wondering if that first gold one was really just green, because this one's definitely more goldy. It's thick too. Look at the consistency of that. I feel like some of the other ones wasn't clinging so clumpily. I wonder if it'll go on smooth. I bet it will. That looks really nice. Next. Okay, this one's back in the silver family, but it's more of a dark, it's kind of a gray, like maybe a gunmetal. It does have all of those hollow glitters though. That other silver one didn't have as much hollow, but this one sure does. Very pretty. It looks like we ran out of polishes, but we've got this manicure set. What's in here? Aha, the polygels. So we have one. These are Moskini. I wonder if that's an indicator. That seems to be a bit of a silver. Oh, this one's got a bit of a hollow on it, so maybe it is. We've got two of them. That one's silver, so that definitely doesn't matter. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A massive 12 polygels in one box. Usually when you get boxes like this, they've got about 6. So I'm pretty impressed with the amount that there is. They do appear to be 15 milliliter, but that's totally fine. I have a lot of these that are that size. You can, get about 2 good sets per tube, at least in my opinion. I guess if you're more sparing, you can probably get more. I'm gonna have to make swatches of these at a later date as well, because this is just a haul video. So that's what we'll do. We'll do a swatch and nail set with the polishes, and we'll do a swatch and nail set with the polygels. So definitely make sure that you are subscribed so that you get to see those. I'm really excited about these. But thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your likes, your comments, your interaction. I do always appreciate it. Make sure you are subscribed. I do appreciate that as well. You can change your mind, but I hope that you don't. And if you know anybody who would like my content, please share my video to them. Bring them on over to the family. We're all hanging out here. We're cool. But that's really it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.